Are you looking for the best fireplace blower kits? In this video we will look at some of the best fireplace blower kits. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Fireplace Blowers Online Blower Kit. You tired of assembling and installing products? Have you decided to compromise on the fireplace blower due to the complicated assembly? This product solves all your worries as it comes pre-wired and fully assembled. The pack comes with a ball-bearing motor and a variable speed control rheostat. The sealed nature of the blower makes it suitable for quiet functioning and powerful performance. It also makes the product durable and long-lasting. The Class H rating of the motor makes it efficient and improves the quality of the product. The noise cancellation padding reduces the noise produced by the product, and the Velcro mounting strips helps it to be installed anywhere. Additionally, the product comes with a year-long warranty. Color: metal. Electric fan design: blower. Power source: AC. Special feature: variable speed dial. Some people had issues with the no auto shut-off feature. Kit includes ball-bearing blower, 3-prong power cord, rheostat variable speed control, thermostat, pre-installed neodymium magnets for mounting and noise reduction padding. Comes fully assembled and pre-wired. Easy DIY installation. Instructions included. 1-year comprehensive warranty. Assembled and tested in Racine, Wisconsin, USA. Total length equals 12.5 inch, width equal 3.23, height equal 3.73, flange opening equals 9.5 inches, 130 CFM, 3000 RPM, 120 volts, 60 Hz, 35 watts, CW rotation, Class H motor insulation, rated to 392 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. 100% sealed ball bearing, powerful, quiet, superbly balanced, energy efficient and long lasting. Does it fit your fireplace? See our compatibility chart in description. Makes for an excellent universal fit blower kit. If you don't see your model listed or have installation questions, please contact us directly. Number 2. MyFireplaceBlower Kit. This fireplace blower kit comes with the automated power activation featured in the heat sensor. This feature helps to keep a controlled temperature in the room and prevents overheating. The featured ball-bearing motor is completely sealed, which enables quiet and powerful functioning. On top of that, the regulated airflow is controlled with a variable speed switch. With an RPM of 3000 and CFM of 165, this fireplace blower kit can work efficiently and save energy and electricity bills. The included streamlined wiring kit with the user manual makes the installation fun, quick and easy. This USA manufactured product also provides a 1-year warranty. Color: black. Electric fan design: blower. Power source: AC. Special feature: automated power of the heat sensor. Some people had trouble with the control settings. Number 3. Adviace Fireplace Blower Kit. With the variable speed control rheostat and a motor featuring RPM of 3000, this is an energy-efficient and powerful fireplace blower kit. The inbuilt magnetically charged thermostat helps to keep a check on the heat and regularizes the temperature. The speed control knob allows you to adjust the fan speed according to convenience and set the temperature between 90 degrees Fahrenheit to 120 degrees Fahrenheit. Further, the 83 3-prong cord enables the user to install the product anywhere in the room. The 3 stick-on foam pads featured in the pack helps the user in more ways than one. Firstly, it helps to install the kit in the existing fireplace, and secondly, it helps in reducing the noise produced by the product. Additionally, the pre-wired harness also facilitates the installation process. It can easily replace the general existing fireplaces. Color: metal. Electric fan design: blower. Power source: corded electric. Special feature: noise reduction. Included with purchase: replacement blower, 3 double-stick foam pads, 2 on the back and 1 on the bottom of the blower, magnetically mounted thermostat, rheostat variable speed control, 3-prong power cord, pre-wired harness, installation instructions. Number 4. Barbecue Factory Fireplace Blower KIT. If you do not like devoting time in assembling the product, then this fireplace blower kit is suitable for you. The detailed instruction manual with all tools provided allows quick and easy installation of the product. With features like variable speed rheostat and magnetic thermostat allowing variable temperature, this kit is a wise purchase. Along with this, the RPM of the motor is 3000 and CFM is 130 for controlled heating. The temperature sensor shuts off at 90 degrees Fahrenheit and activates again at 120 degrees Fahrenheit. It is capable of heating large rooms and reduces the power and energy usage due to the impeccable efficiency. The certifications for the motor, thermostat, and rheostat assure the quality of the product. The galvanized steel coating increases the durability of the blower kit. Color, steel. Electric fan design, blower. Power source, AC. Special feature, energy saving. Important, please measure the space for installing this blower in your stove or fireplace, and compare with the dimension of this blower. Any questions or concerns, please email us before ordering. Replacement fireplace/stove blower fan unit for Monis Hearth Systems, Martin Majestic, Rotom, and other brands. Number 5. Metal Club Fireplace Blower Kit. The main part of this fireplace blower kit, which is the high-end bearing motor, is the best part of it. The motor of the device is supremely balanced, durable, energy efficient, powerful, and quiet. Rheostat in the device allows variable speed controls with a switch. This enables the full range RPM setting of the blower and an optional on-off operation feature. The aluminum material used for construction with the same finish makes this product corrosion resistant. The pre-wired harness with the Velcro mounting strips enable easy installation. Also, the enhanced padding reduces the noise caused by the device. Color, metal. Electric fan design, blower. Power source, AC. Special feature, high-quality motor. Included with purchase, this DESA fireplace blower kit includes blower, rheostat variable speed control, 3-prong power cord, pre-wired harness for easy installation, Velcro mounting strips and noise reduction padding. Installation instructions.